Hi everyone, my name is Ghazale and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Today is a super exciting day because I finally got my hands on some Smeg appliances. I've been obsessed really with their design and colors for so long and I can't wait to share them with you. Just look at this beauty. Look at the color. I love it. Now on the next one, I think you guys will love this too, really. Just having a piece of art, isn't it like that?